keyring. And now for the main event. Ready?
Awesome. We need 600 Someone's gonna kill us with a lamb. Just kidding. No, I'm not. You want to scare the boys? But how are we gonna make another $500? Well, let's resell the rest of these pies in it. Are we missing some pies?
Hang on, guys. I'm just attaching it to the.
Coco. Alright, we're gonna have to do another All the police have told me about this whole or else thing. The three of us go. Why do you look like that? Carmine. Carmine? What about?
Okay, never mind.
Carmine. That's Justin. My name is Ryan.
Hang on, guys. I'm sorry about this video. I'm just putting it in.
You witch! Guys, come on. Ow! I hate these things.
Here, Katie. My nails are slippery. Can you put this back on?
What did you do?
Just put it back on. I'll entertain you.
Do you know?
What?
About us.
Yeah.
Do you?
Now this video is boring because I showed them all this stuff and everything.
You mean do I know like they've been sneaking around getting together? Being real quiet when I come around?
Katie, stop watching TV. I'm making a video.
I have no idea what's going on.
It's not funny.
You're not supposed to make it a necklace.
Who cares?
Alright, fine.
That me and Quinn are dating?
Get that off me.
Dating? You too?
Stop. I'm gonna wear it.
It's not funny.
Bye.
You guys crack me up. Like I'm supposed to be you doing that?
Look at my necklace. It's awesome.
I know you're not preparing a surprise birthday party for me. You just make sure it's the best ever.
Oh, come on. Sorry. Keyring chain. Okay.
Yeah, that could
Is it awesome or what? I'm gonna use one. But not now. I'll make a video about it, okay? Alright, thanks for watching. See ya. I'll sign you off. Later.